Hi guys, so for this video I'm using 1 pound Karen yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll leave this loop just like that large, and then I'll chain 7. Now that I've chained 7 on the last chain from the hook, I'll make 6 treble crochet. So you see here in the beginning of a row we have 6 chains, and then we have 6 treble crochets. Now I'll chain 6. Then right there through that same loop I'll make a slip stitch. So just like that we have finished one side of the bow. Now again I'll chain 6. And through that same loop I'll make 6 treble crochet. Again we have a chain of 6 and 6 treble crochet. Now I'll chain 6. Then right there through that same loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll leave a long tail, and I'll cut this yarn. And now I'm going to wrap this yarn around the center of this bow, around like this. Now on the wrong side I'll make a double knot. And now with a yarn needle I will weave these ends in. after you make a double knot, you can attach it to whatever you want to attach it to, or you can just weave the ends in and then trim this excess yarn. And so this bow measures 3.5 inches. This is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.